Yes, it just poured down on me now.
Raining, it's raining, the old man is snoring. I don't remember how it went.
Rain, rain, go away, come back another day.
It's raining, it's pouring, the old man is snoring. He went to bed and hit his head and couldn't get up in the morning. Something like that, I don't remember. I don't remember it.
Alright, let me... Oh wait, let me put this up. This rain is so loud.
Lower your sound settings.
Okay.
We have quite a bit of stuff over here. I think it's time to add some mods. I just don't know what to add.
No, don't add mods.
Why not? I mean, we've pretty much done everything except beat the game. We went mining. We basically just need to go to the nether, make potions, go to the end, go to the, well, the fortress, then go to the end, beat the ender dragon. Then after that, I guess I'll add mods.
Yeah, we should do that.
So, beat the game, and then add mods.
Aw, I can't hear anything now.
Okay. One moment you're complaining that you hear too much, the next you're
Cause
complaining.
it's the rain.
I like the rain.
What is lead?
You mean lead?
Oh, well yeah, lead.
Don't worry about it. It's for horses.
Uh,
It's for horses, sheep, any animal that you can tame or breed. It makes them follow you, or you can tie them to a fence.
we should do that.
I've been doing it to the horses.
Can horses get killed by zombies?
I don't think so. Unless you're on top of them, I don't think so. Where the heck is Alan?
Alright, so, do you want to go mining now?
Yeah.
Let me make the stones.
I think I need one more stone pickaxe. That'd be a good idea. We need more wood, too.
Yeah.
We don't have much of it.
How many more sticks? No, I have spruce planks though.
I just can't wait for Frankie to come back and, like, get so mad at you.
Be quiet!
I'm just waiting for whenever he comes back.
Dang.
Oh, Alan's playing a 3-hour instance.
Wow. Really? Really, Alan? Really? Hold on, I'll be back, Nick. Hold
Or,
on. Hold on.
alright. I think the rain is good for the crops anyway. Potato. Wheat. Make some more bread. Actually, wait, do we have more? We have more. He says he's almost done. He's in the last area.
What happened?
Alan said he's almost done. He's in the last area.
What a liar.
A 3-hour instance. What the heck?
Alright, I'm going down the mine.
Okay.
Well, I'm gonna wait for you.
Actually, I'm gonna have a little break.
You're not gonna come mining?
For the next, like, actually, just give me like a minute. I'll be right back. I'm gonna leave it recording, so speak
Alright.
and do stuff.
Alright.
Hope I don't get lost. Let's see. Still trying to find some diamond. Not very lucky one, as y'all can see. Oh, there's some coal here. I'm good at finding coal, that's all I'm good at. Pretty much all. Let's see. You know what? I'm gonna go back. Do something to Nick. He did something to me. Alright, I'll be back. See, heading back, trying to go prank Nick. Whoa, just heard a zombie. See. Here's so many mobs.
Alright, I'm back.
No, he's back. Aw.
Did you say anything?
Yeah.
Okay, I'll watch it in the video whenever I'm editing.
I was gonna go do something to you, but you had to ruin it. Whatever.
You're gonna kill me, weren't you?
No. What makes you think that? Wait. What was that for? I wasn't gonna do anything.
Dang it. Didn't work out the way I planned. I think I went down this way and I found diamond. Nope, it wasn't that way.
Let me just get this coal.
That way is still dark. Isn't Alan planning to do a monster spawner?
Oh yeah.
Yeah.
I forgot about that.
So we could get a XP grinder.
I want to destroy it, but then I don't.
Yeah, don't destroy it, because we'll get a lot of rotten flesh and stuff out of it too. And a ton of XP, enough to lag the server. Like, we did it on the bucket one, the one that we just messed around with, like, a lot. And there were so many plugins on that, it was like straining the server. And then he made the XP grinder, and like, if we waited for 20 minutes and then we killed all the mobs, it was like 5 minutes of lag.
Dang.
But as soon as you left that one chunk, it was alright. So you would get like 30 levels, leave the chunk, and then come back.
Dude, we haven't explored this area yet. Should come where I'm at.
And we've explored a little bit of this area. Oh, I didn't bring any food with me. Wow. What?
What happened?
What?
What happened?
Wait, what?
What happened?
I'm at the ravine.
What?
Yeah.
No, get away from me, skeleton.
What the heck? This connects with the ravine over here, like right where we were.
It does?
Yeah. I don't know how I got here.
Well, I found a lot of iron.
I don't know how to get back. I'm at the ravine and now I don't know how to get back.
I don't see your name anywhere.
Wait, what? How did I end up over here? Where's the way out? I'm seriously confused right now.
Dude, I covered up some water with the torch. I have no idea how.
Okay, I'm just leave from the ravine.
I found diamond! I found diamond! I found diamond!
Sweet enchantment table.
Can you I'm guessing you can.
Get
On
what?
obsidian, can you sneak or whatever? Like stand over the edge?
Yeah, it's just slabs that you can't.
Found diamond.
Two skeletons are fighting. Two skeletons are fighting.
Dude, I hear skeletons.
Place your bets. Place your bets. Which one's gonna win?
The right one. The right one.
Right one?
Yeah.
I don't know. I say the left one's gonna win.
No, you stupid, you stupid skeleton! No, I don't want to die. I don't want to die. Come on, 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 come on. Please, 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 survive, 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 survive. One heart, one heart.
Survive, survive. Oh.
No!
The diamond.
Wait, I know where it's at though. I know where it's at. I'm going back to my stuff. Can I do slash back?
No.
Oh man, this.
I just went in a circle. Wow.
Okay, I know where it's
Why
at.
did I go back down that way?
I'm going back to my stuff. I'm heading back to my stuff.